is November 28th. Back home, my family is probably celebrating Thanksgiving right now. And we are getting ready to go climb the Great Wall of China. This guy said it best. Great Wall swag.
200 more steps and you'll be here.
Thank you. What do we just do, guys?
Great Wall!
Do we actually just hike the Great Wall of China?
Yeah,
Like,
we did.
we did. Bye, Great Wall. You were great. How do your legs feel? Your legs are like jelly. Best part with the cats, probably. I love those cats. Oh, what would be good names for them? What are some good?
No.
No. Keaton keeps on trying to communicate with our bus driver.
He doesn't understand lick of English.